Is this the spot?
Yes, it is. Yeah, take another look at the... So the repeated noises that we've been hearing throughout the back rooms has suddenly stopped, so we're gonna send you in here, and you got your camera, so you're pretty... Good luck, man. Stay safe.
So I just get into it?
Hey, why isn't it starting?
Why is nothing...
Hey, can you hear me? Hello? Hello, James, can you hear me? James, hello?
Yeah, I'm here. I can hear you. I can hear you. I'm okay.
Oh, thank God. Oh my gosh. You just have to make sure you're checked and everything. You got your camera. We're gonna need you to have to test in the zoom in lens. Can you do that for me?
Yes, it's working.
Good, good. Okay. I think you're all set. We just...
Oh my gosh, this place reeks.
Oh, what's that smell? Now, if you see anything...
So I found a box on the ground.
Yeah, I'm gonna need you to stay far away from that, okay? Could be a trap. We don't know enough about this place yet. Hey, can we...
Oh my gosh, what is that? What is that?
What's happening? James, what's happening over there? Are you okay? James, please, can you hear us?